After a turbulent day, the market's in bullish. This is Des here at Grok Trade. And the market started off pretty bullish, then went bearish, then we ended the day bullish. Very turbulent day in the markets overall. You have the S&P up 0.7%, the Dow up 0.55%, the NASDAQ up only 0.29%. Little laggy here too is the Russell, 0.37%. Banks actually not doing nearly as well as anybody else, only up 0.24%. Really not supporting today's rally, telling me that people might be selling in to this strength going into tomorrow's market. It'd be interesting to see. VIX though down 7.8%, now below 16. Gold takes a major hit, down 1.85%. Silver off by 1.72%. Crude oil break even. US dollar break even. Transportation index up 0.86%, doing really well. But the defensive sector, utilities, did exceptionally well. The index went up by 1.3%. People moving a lot of funds over to the defensive sector right now. I do not blame them. Here's the S&P 500. Resistance, we drop, resistance, we drop. We're approaching that resistance. However, we have another resistance line coming across. Support, 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 support broken, should act as resistance. So here's a couple numbers I want to give you. First area of resistance, 1847, mark that down. Next is going to be this trend line, the 1854, and then as high as 1860. You can pause the video and rewind it, go over those numbers again. But those are areas to be looking at resistance. We do have the 50-day moving average right here acting as, or could be serving as resistance, and the dropping 20-day moving average also. That could be acting as some resistance. If you look here at a weekly chart, you'll see that we, so far for the week, have gone above that halfway point that I thought would be a good area of resistance. But we have a lot more resistance areas here that we could be hitting fairly soon, and we could drop, giving us a lower high and a lower low. There'd be a big red candlestick with major dropping, with a major drop taking place to end out the week. And we're just getting started really this week, so it would be a bloody end of this week for that to come to fruition. So it'd be really interesting to see if that actually takes place. So quick look here at gold. This is a weekly chart. This is a bear pullback on the weekly chart, and we've been talking about gold being a sell because we're at that 50% Fibonacci. I can get rid of this now, and there's the drop, major drop. Hopefully you had a chance to take advantage of that. Silver, we said, was even more bearish than gold. Big drop here. Actually, silver did not drop as much as gold, but they both had a sizable drop. And let's take a look here at Apple. Apple is in bearish territory, but came off of some big time lows here, rallying back. We do have a hammer. Looks like we have a lot of upside potential here. Amazon, big hammer. Looks like it's trying to find a bottom. Facebook, big hammer. So a lot of buying on these lows. Hit these lows, rallied up. This is Google. So it looks like we're trying to put in a bottom here on all technology. If you'll notice LinkedIn, we finally made a break above on volume on the falling wedge. LinkedIn is a big time buy now if the markets go bullish. We're bouncing off a support level here on Microsoft, buy opportunity. And then Netflix, we went lower, but the bulls came in and bought up that weakness. Now we have a hammer, a lot of upside potential in Netflix. Twitter, we said be watching for a breakout, and here it is, boom, to the upside, finding resistance at the falling 20-day moving average. Twitter's on fire. I mean, it went up over 11% today, and looking for a lot more upside potential there. So a couple things to be paying special attention to. So that's it for today. We have a program coming up Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. It's free weekly class. Hope you guys can join us. More information on that later. Everything we do here at Grok Trade is to help traders become all they can be in the markets. We have simplified something that I'm personally very excited about, a process in which anybody can learn how to trade and make profits in the markets. It takes time, takes some dedication, it takes formalized trading education. So anyway, the magic starts here. Step 1, the 101 courses. Step 2, the 201 courses. Step 3, lifetime mentoring. 101, we do our 101 courses. We do them through emails. You can take them on the website. We do the courses on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. The 101s, very basic ABCs, very, very basic. My grandmother could take these and understand what's going on. But the real meat, the real secrets, the things that we have poured over, poured blood and sweat over and put a massive amount of resources and time into putting together the very best online home-based trading curriculum out there. I would venture to guess nobody has something so comprehensive and organized and thorough and well-rounded as what we have in the 201 course as far as trading is concerned, specifically in the areas of technical analysis. To validate this, and I will share this with you, we have mentored 2,000, 2,500 students or so now. Myself, I've personally mentored over 800 students, been trading live in the markets for 16 years, utilizing technical analysis. I'm an expert at this. I was hired to become a mentor coach and also sat on a prestigious curriculum committee for teaching me to trade. Also through Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki, Option Success, and Star Trader. So I helped oversee curriculums and education. I believe that our education is more well-rounded because we teach people how to vet stocks, how to find the best companies out there, and we pick them fundamentally. We trade them technically. We spend most of our time on the technicals, and we give all the tips, tricks, everything we do in the markets to make our money, we do here. Then the 301s, which is the lifetime mentorship. But the 201s is comprised of a lot of data, and for example, there's 28 lessons in here. You can see the things here, everything with how to find patterns, how to draw your trend lines, support resistance lines, how to enter each trade, how to exit to maximize profits, how to know how much risk to put on, how many trades to have on at any given time. It goes into everything, what indicators to use, what oscillators to use. There is a difference between the two, how to analyze a volume. We get into everything. There's 5 courses, 28 lessons. It will take you over 6 hours to go through. Comes with 100% money back guarantee after 12 hours after you make the purchase. Because the courses are over 6 hours, you can almost take them twice and still ask to get your money back if you're not fully satisfied. Everybody loves this. Everybody does this. It is your next step. How do you do it? Go to the website. Once you go to the website, go to the 201 trading courses right here. And these 201 trading courses will give you everything you need to start trading with great confidence in the markets. You will be glad you did this. So go right now to the website, go down here to 201 trading videos, and immediately start your course and start to do trading wisely and well and be savvy at what you do. Catch you later.